Hey folks, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Meghan Markle new revelations. The ex-royal Meghan Markle looks like she could have even more problems looming in the early part of 2022. But what could they possibly be? So guys, this is the breaking royal story of the day. Now, this particular story all centers on the estranged relationship that Meghan has with a one-time very close loving father, Thomas Markle. As we all know, been incredibly vocal speaking about Meghan to the media because he claims, of course, that unless she speaks to him, he has no way of making sure he can have any sort of contact with her or in itself. Don't you think? Also, there is this sort of discrepancy that apparently he has never met Prince Harry, yet allegedly, according to a very good source. Which way around is it will truly or don't know where you can imagine? The bigger problem for Meghan really centers on, as we know, Meghan decided to cut out her father after, of course, he leaked that particular letter to the media, and well, it should already cut him out, but it really escalated after that point. What's interested in then, we found out from that leaked WhatsApp, email, whatever you want to call it, text message, as ever we always have to say allegedly, that she was sure it could get leaked out, hence the reason she decided to call him daddy. Now here is ever where it gets really confusing, because for Meghan, this could he proved to be an explosive bad decision. Her father, you see, has been offered all kinds of deals from major publishing houses, and we are talking big bucks. Now we are not talking mega bucks, because of course they know that he has had such limited contact with his daughter, but what they are interested in, and more importantly what he is interested in, is correcting the rights and the wrongs. We all know there are some discrepancies allegedly over how she was educated, who paid for that, exactly what sort of a father was he towards her, and once again we will get no doubt his version of the reasons. That splendid royal wedding all of those years ago, as I said, this could prove rather explosive because he truly has nothing to lose, and it is his age. He has openly saying he doesn't necessarily think you are now reconciled with his daughter. What a shame for that situation. It's also really sad when you look at it on a more wider perspective, because Meghan and Harry are truly missing out on a wonderful relationship wave. Of course, their grandfather for their children, and that must be really difficult for them to put together too. But we do know so far there has been no opportunity for reconciliation. Even tough, Thomas Markle is agreed to remain quiet for lengthy periods in the vain hope for that his daughter will get in touch. That hasn't been the case. So if Thomas does put pen to paper or indeed finds a ghostwriter willing to structure his story together, what? It will be a big payday for him. That truly will possibly mean the end of any type of reconciliation. What? It will be a big payday for him. That truly will possibly mean the end of any type of reconciliation for Meghan. Oh, this could prove rather explosive, because not only will we have a first-hand account from her once close to father, but of course we all can look forward to Tom Bower's book as well, which has been extensively researched, contacting many people who have known Miss Markle over many years. Some of course cut out as in anybody's life, but I think for Meghan, if she is hoping to build her brand and becoming more inclusive and of course make people like him, or which is all about brand awareness in the 21st century, then she really does need to make sure she puts a lid on these damaging stories. And for Meghan and Harry, Thomas' story could be the most damaging of all. So guys, that's it for today. As soon as we know more, you will know more. So if you like the video, please do subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.